Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video we will discuss the HP SSC data entry operator postcode 868 question paper held on 28th March 2021. So the question number 1 is speed of light is maximum in the option A is correct. In vacuum the speed of light is maximum. Question number 2, the loudness of sound depends upon the answer is C, amplitude. Question number 3, what is dry ice? So it's solid carbon dioxide, option A is correct. Next question 4, what is vermicompost? So here the right answer is option A, organic fertilizer. Question number 5th, Himachal Day is celebrated every year on, the right answer is 15th April. Kotdhar is located in which district of HP? So the right answer is option A, Bilaspur. Next question is Getty Theatre was opened in Shimla by Britishers in which year? So the right answer is option A, 1887. Next question, the old name of Nurpur is option D, Dhameri. Who was the first vice chancellor of HP University? So here the right answer is Dr. R.K. Singh, option A. Next question, Indian Pasture Institute is located at which place in HP? So the right answer is option A, Kasauli. 17, the third power project is situated in which district of HP? So here the right answer is Lahaul Spiti. Next question, who wrote the book Pahad बेगाने नहीं होंगे? So the right answer is option A, Shanta Kumar. Next question, who has been named country manager at Google India recently? So the right answer is option A, Sanjay Gupta. 27, which state has topped India's first ever ranking of state on justice delivery recently? So the option C is correct, Maharashtra. 28, which city hosted the 2019 conference of the No Money for Terror? So the right answer is option A, Melbourne. Question number 29, the government e-marketplace had recently partnered with which bank for payment related service? So the right answer is Central Bank of India. Next question is harmonized system HS code which was in news recently is associated to which field? So the right answer is option C, Khadi. Next question, antonyms of to agony is? So here the right answer is ecstasy. So option C is correct. One word substitution for a person who is always dissatisfied is? So the right answer option C, malcontent. 33, they dash. So here conspired a new plan to throw him out of office. So option A is correct. She smiled at my words. Option A is correct. देशगत में समास है, ऑप्शन सी, तत्पुरुष. ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट. मनोहर का संधि विच्छेद है बी, ऑप्शन बी, मना प्लस हर, मनाहर. सो शुद्ध शब्द है परिश्रम, ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट. मुद्रा कौन सा शब्द है? तो इट्स देशज. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है कुफरी जीवन एंड द कुफरी ज्योति आर द वेराइटीज ऑफ? ऑप्शन ए, इट्स अ वेराइटी ऑफ पोटैटो. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, महिमा लाइब्रेरी इज लोकेटेड एट विच प्लेस इन HP? सो द ऑप्शन डी इज करेक्ट, नाहन. Which place of Lahaul is parallel to Diwali? So it's Halda, option C. Next, which place is known as the mini Lhasa of India? So it's McLeodganj, option A. Next question is missing term in the letter series. So here the right answer is option C is correct. You can solve it out. Next question है 24 का right answer is love, option B. Please solve it out and comment in the comment section that whether it's right or wrong. Next question 25, which letter is the 14th to the right of 6th letter from left to the English? Please solve it out and comment in the comment box. Next question है computer derives its name from which word? So option A is correct, computate, computer. Oracle was introduced in 4th generation, option D is correct. Which type of processing used in mainframe computer? So it's batch, option D is correct. The organization and the intersection of the various components of the computer system is called architecture. C, CPU denotes its central, option B is correct. Pangi Valley is located in which district of HP? So Pangi Valley is in Chamba, option D is correct. Nadon subdivision is located in which district of HP? So Nadon Hamirpur में आता है, option A is correct. Oldest democracy in the world is Malana, option C. Largest urban settlement of HP is urban, it's Simla, option D. The headquarter of Kinnaur district of HP is its Kongpyo, option D is correct. None of these. On which river is situated the town of Chamba? So it's Ravi, option D is correct. The LU performs operation arithmetic and logical operation. Option A is correct. Arithmetic is not there, so it's logical. Option A is correct. Which of the following manages computer resources? So here, which of the following manages computer resources? So computer के resource को control unit. Option C or A. So option C is correct. Wait for the right answer key. Next question, group of intersection that direct a computer is called program. Option D. A 32-bit microprocessor has the word length equal to option B 4 bytes. When a key is pressed, a keyboard interacts with option D, option both B and C. The mouse generally has 2 buttons. Next question, what type of device is a computer monitor? So it's output device. Sorry, it's output device. Yeah. 51. Which is not an impact printer? So it's laser printer. Primary memory stores all of these. Option D is correct. Read only memory 53 का read only memory कौन सा है? Option C. A floppy disk contains both A and B, circular tracks and sector both. Option D is correct. Addition of this, you can solve it out, and I think the answer is option B. Please calculate it. Which is not a computer language? So this is mediator language, is not the computer language. Option B is correct. Next question है, which is not the function of operating system? So operating system is having not पूछा है तो virus protection नहीं होता है इसका. Linux is a multi-user and multitasking. Option C is correct. Which is not an internal DOS? So it's backup. Option A is correct. Which of the following refer to a rectangular area displaying information and running programs? So here the right answer is dialog box. Which of the following refer to the rectangular area displaying information running programs? So it's option D is correct here, window. Moving on to the next question. Next, in MS window the files are organized by storing them in folders. Option C is correct. Which command from file menu in MS Word is used for creating documents? So it's new. Option 62. Option C is correct. In MS Word the mailing list is known as the data source. Option C is correct. So the question number 64 is, which toolbar allow to changing fonts and their size in the MS Word? Option B is correct, formatting. Next question 65, Excel is used to prepare a spreadsheet. Option C is correct. 66, the default file extension MS Excel is, so here the right answer is option D, XLS.XLS. 67, in MS Excel which menu has option to alter the height and width of the selected cells? Option C is correct, format. Next question is 68, which command in MS Excel used to copy the formula not the value from one data to another? So the right answer is option B, paste special. Question number 69 is, which is the graphical representation of data and values in MS Excel? So the option D is correct, chart. Question number 70, which command is used to close the window of Excel? So option B is correct. Next question 71, PowerPoint presentation is the collection of, so the right answer is option D, all of these. Next question is 72, in PowerPoint formatting toolbar is located just below. So here the right answer is option A is correct here, standard toolbar. Next question is, the PowerPoint Pentagon motion is predefined in animation scheme. Option 73, option C is correct. In MS PowerPoint, in order to see all the slides on one screen, use, so option A is correct, view slide and shorter. 75, in PowerPoint to insert a new slide in the current presentation we can choose, so option here Control M. Option A is correct. Which is an organized collection of data about a single entity? So here the right answer is option C is correct here, database. Next question, DBMS means, so the right answer is database management system. Option C is correct. A group of related record in database is called table. Option D is correct. Next 79, in hierarchical model in DBMS records are organized as, so here the right answer is option D, tree is the right answer. Question number 80, Which level of abstraction describe what data are stored in the database? So the right answer is option D, schema. Next question, relational algebra is. So here the right answer is all of these. Option D is correct. Next question, 82, in MS Access, which is the process of summarizing data from more than one source? So here the right answer is option B is correct here, data consolidation. Next question, 83, in MS Access, by which command we can add records to a table from different tables? Option B is correct. Next question is, row in an access table is also known as record. Option D is correct. Next question, which is the method to create a new table in MS Access? So option A is correct, create new table in design view. Option A is correct. Next question, 86, which is the shortcut key in MS Access to close the database? So here the right answer is option B. The most important or powerful computer in a typical network is network server. Option C is correct. In signal processing application, bandwidth is measured in bits per second. Option D is correct. Which protects the coaxial cable from noise? So its right answer is option B, outer conductor. Which is not a type of computer network? So here the option C is correct, RAN. Next question, 91, which topology simulates hierarchical flow of data? So here the right answer is tree. How receive data in the form of signal? Option A. The OSI model consists of how many layers? So option 7D. Option D, answer 7. The internet is a system of DAS. It's interconnected networks. 95, a website's main page is called home page. Option A is correct. Which of the following is not a class of IP address? So here the right answer option D. There are only 5 class: A, B, C, D, E. Next question, DSL speed typically list which speed? So option A is correct, transfer. Next question, which protocol is used to find the hardware address of a local device? So the right answer option A, RARP. Next question, the process of trading goods over the internet is known as? Option D, e-commerce. All the telnet operations are sent as 8 bytes. Next question, which is required to create an HTML document? So here the right answer is option C is correct here, text editor. Which is an example of malware? So all of these: worms, Trojan horses, and spyware. Option D is correct. Next question, the earliest city of discovered India was? It's Harappa. Option A is correct. The word Veda means knowledge. Option D is correct. Which question number 111, which ruler murdered his father Bimbisara to ascend the throne? It's Ajatashatru. The third Buddhist council was patronized by? It's Ashoka. Option B. Who was the first known Gupta ruler? So it's Chandragupta first. Shirigupta has founded this empire, but the first known ruler is Chandragupta first. Next question is, the first battle of Taran was fought in 1191 AD. Option B is correct. Next question, the first session of Indian National Congress took place at Bombay. Option C. Who was the chairman of Constituent Assembly in India? So it's Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Option B. How many schedules are there in the Constitution of India? Option D, 12th schedule. Indian Parliament can rename and redefine boundary of a state by 2/3 of the majority. Option C. Which is not a fundamental right? So right to strike is not a fundamental right. Question 125, which ensure the social and the economic democracy in the Indian Constitution? So it's a directive principle of state policy. Option C is correct. Which was elected unopposed for the post of president? So it's N. Sanjeeva Reddy. Option C is correct. 127, for what duration the election of member of Rajya Sabha is done? So it's 6 years. So option D is correct. Governor is sworn by the Chief Justice of High Court. Option A is correct. What is the retirement age of Judge of Supreme Court? Option C, 65 years. Democratic decentralization means local government. Option D is correct. Which is the nearest planet to the sun? So here the right answer is Mercury. Option D. Low tides are weak. Option A is correct. The innermost layer of the earth is barysphere. Option D is correct. Nap is a kind of folded structure. Option B is correct. The tropical grasslands are called savanna. Option C is correct. Next question, which river originates out of India? So it's Brahmaputra. Option A is correct. Sardar Sarovar Dam is built in which river? It's Narmada. Option A is correct. From where does the heat came in the environment? So it's radiation. Option C. The laterite soil is found in. So here right answer is high rainfall state, and maybe it's D also or A, but probably A will be the answer. So you can just comment if you know something. Next question 146. The famous Gir forest is located in which state? So it's Gujarat. Option B is correct. Johar tunnel is located in which state? J&K. Option A is correct. Next question. Culture is important for which of the following? So here the right answer is heavy water plant. Then minimum payment to factor of production is called, will let you know. Next question 150. Product differentiation is the most important feature of monopolistic competition. So the next question, what is dual pricing? It's two price of a product. National income is generated from any productivity activity. Option D is correct. The causal organism of polio is a virus. Option D. Which is the parthenocarpic fruit? So here the mulberry. Option C is correct. The gas released during photosynthesis is option B, oxygen. The largest flightless bird which can run at great speed is ostrich. Option C is correct. What is the other name of vitamin B2? It's riboflavin. Option C is correct. Lemon is sour due to its citric acid. Option D is correct. Next question. Respiration is the oxidation process. Option A is correct. Which is the transmitted by blood transfusion? So it's option A, hepatitis. Pigeon milk is produced by mammals. Option B is correct. An adult human normally has 12 molar teeth. Option D is correct. Which is not an electromagnetic ray? So it's cathode ray. Option C is correct. Sensitivity of human eyes maximum in option B is correct, green region. Next question. A schedule bank is one of which is included in the second schedule of RBI Act. Option C is correct. In the budget, the difference between the total expenditure and the total receipt is called fiscal deficit. Option A is correct. Taxation is a tool of fiscal policy. Option B is correct. Golden revolution is related with beekeeping. Option B is correct. Capital market regulator is SEBI. Option C is correct. Next, onshore breeze develop in A. Option A is correct. The Earth Summit was organized by, so option B is correct. The largest ocean is Pacific Ocean. Option D is correct. Black forest is found in Germany. Option B is correct. West Bengal makes border with how many countries? Option B is correct. Option C, 3 countries. The gap of mountain which provides natural path is known as pass. Option C is correct. Next question, who is regarded as the second Alexander? So it's Alauddin Khilji. Option C is correct. Which Delhi Sultan established a charity bureau? So it's Firoz Tughlaq. Next question, the only Hindu courtier of Akbar who accepted the Nilai was Birbal. Option B is correct. Among the following controlled maximum trade in the western coast region during 17th century? So it's Portuguese. Option A is correct. Gandhiji considered khadi as a symbol of economic independence. Option C is correct. Which ensure the unauthorized user do not access the system? Option C is correct here. Next question, another name for an antivirus is, option B is correct here, spam. Which is cybercrime? Option A is correct, hacking. The site of an Asian school of cyber law is Pune. Which logic gate is similar to the function of two series switches? B and the software design is both A and B. Option so guys, this is all about for data entry operator. And guys, I think you found this video informative. If you like this video, then please do subscribe, and if you have any doubt regarding any question, then you can please comment on the comment box, so we'll discuss it later. So see you in the next one.